Welcome back, brothers and sisters. Welcome back to African Metaphysical Center for Spiritual Healing, Body, Mind, and Spirit Development. I am your host, Kufu Amaral, your metaphysical practitioner, Reiki master, Qigong instructor, Bond practitioner, and mystic. Today's topic is the human race, part 2 of 2. It's called the key practices. I want to go over a few key practices that I mentioned in the human race part 1 video that can help dissolve the ego and promote unity. Here's a few spiritual practices for ego dissolution. Number 1, meditation. Meditation helps you connect with your higher self and move beyond ego identification. Number 2 is shadow work, confronting the hidden parts of yourself that cling to separation. And number 3, self-reflection practices, examining your thoughts, beliefs, and how you was conditioned to believe what you believed. Here are a few practices for shifting your perspective. 1, recognizing yourself as a spiritual being first, identifying as eternal consciousness rather than your temporary physical form. Number 2, soul seeing practice. This is training yourself to look at people's energy and the light behind their eyes rather than their physical characteristics. And number 3, questioning conditioning. Actively examining what you were taught about division and who benefited from the separation. Here is a few daily action practices. 1, shifting your language, changing how you speak, saying my people to mean all humanity, eliminating the us versus them language. Number 2, reprogramming internal dialogue, catching yourself when you characterize your race and consciously remind yourself you're seeing a spiritual being. Number 3, operating from love instead of fear. Choosing love as your default frequency in interactions. Number 4, being the example. Actively treating every person as a fellow soul. Building bridges and having uncomfortable conversations that challenges the status quo. The core principles is that these practices help you move from ego-based identification, which needs separation to feel special, to higher self-awareness, which recognizes unity and interconnectedness. Please like and pass this information on if you think you understand what I'm trying to accomplish. Until next time, Ashe, Ashe, Ashe.